It's Saturday.
It is Saturday.
Good morning.
And
It is
it's like 5 a.m.
5:45, and we are going to Vegas.
Baby.
Front of you leaving the area, Roger, be clear.
Green, so
Thanks for
blue.
choosing Southwest
We're
this
gonna go
morning.
see the
Welcome
Blue
aboard.
Man. Right? Isn't there a Blue Man?
Yeah, there is.
We're not gonna do that.
Although I hear it's pretty cool.
They're like $100 tickets.
You only have roller bags,
I know we got
right?
money for
No
that.
big bags.
Unless I hit it
They
big
need to
first
go
night.
overhead. Look
See
to your
what
left or
happens.
right back there, and if you
So it's breakfast time, and you're in the mood for some eggs, bacon, and pancakes. There's a place you gotta try, Mr. Mama's. Let's get our grub on.
All right, so you're in Vegas, you want to get outside, you want to get away from the strip, come to Red Rock Canyon. Awesome place, great views, feel a little bit of nature. Gotta love it.
We are in
Look at this.
Red Rock.
Look at this.
I know.
Look at this.
So cool. So a little tip for y'all, didn't know this, but this is actually considered federal land. Thought it was a state park.
Thought it was
Totally
state.
was wrong.
Oops.
So I had my national park pass, but I didn't bring it.
Bring your national
Didn't
park
So
pass.
I had to pay to get in. So just a little insider tip for you guys.
you have-
And then the scenic drive is open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. when you come. And they have awesome views like this.
Totally
As you
worth
can
it.
see, point that way, show them the awesome rocks. Yes, all over
Oh,
the
yeah.
place.
Just.
But they
that's-
have all sorts of recreational activities. So you can bike, we've seen a bunch of climbers. I'm pretty sure there's some off-road stuff you can do. So lots of cool things to do, and then obviously tons of hiking. So yeah,
Bring sunglasses too.
yeah, it's pretty bright. And
Bright.
so it's, what is it, 60 degrees?
It's about 62.
It's about 60,
Yeah.
but with the sun hitting you,
Of course, we're in the middle of the
Yeah.
winter right now.
feels like 80. So
Feels good, but have fun.
yeah.
watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.